Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to refer a friend or invite friends in Revolut. So first step is to open up your Revolut app and sign in with your PIN or your fingerprint. Then you should see right here your profile picture. Click on that. Now click on invite friends. And here you can see that you can invite friends and earn up to $150. So scroll down and you can see that if your friend complete these 4 steps, you will get a random reward between $10 and $150. I mean euros. So click on invite friends and then choose from your contacts, or simply click on share link right here and then choose the app where you want to share the link. So choose the app and send it to some friends. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you refer a friend in Revolut. This is all, so thank you. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.